Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result, and this client had a procedure around 2100 something, and pretty much we rebuilt the hairline, and his face looked completely different because with a low set of hairline it framed the face better and you look younger. Again, hair transplant is not just the surgical skill. Surgical skill gives the density, but there's art behind it, and I'm going to show the audience what this client looked like before. And this is where he was, and you can see how different here. There we go. And that's that. And you see how we lower the hairline and then fill in both corner, and then nice zigzag too. And so this is where he is now. And excellent density. And you can comb through. Good density, good artistry behind it. And again, with every surgery, especially with hair transplant, you don't just base on density. You want to base on artistry as well. And there's no use have density but then your hairline too high or too low. They got to be very proportional vertically and horizontally. In the front you want to use a lot of single baby hair through. And I can comb through so the audience can see. Yeah. Good result, good density.